spending time. My question for you guys is, when is Natalie going to have her own fan club?
Oh, she already has it! She already has it!
She already does!
I'm gonna come get you down here.
Yes, ow, ow!
Hi.
Long time no see.
We came up with a game in here. Actually, it was my idea.
Well, I'm gonna take this for you.
Can we play?
So, I am supposed to be resting my voice, right? So, like, backstage, I don't talk, because then I can't sing later. And not always, just today. So, I was like, being the brilliant person that I am, talking more now than I actually would if I just answered the damn questions. Since I can't talk, why don't we answer it in charades?
Yes!
Ask me a question and I have to act it out.
Yeah!
Okay. Actually, I have a really good one. I wasn't gonna ask it. This is a charades.
Get it, girl, you got this.
Yeah, you got it cute.
I got your back, girl.
Demi, if you could squeeze anything out of your belly button, what would it be?
What the?
Demi, you here? Would you ever do another tour in the UK?
Yes.
Demi, do you ever get tired of singing your own songs?
Yes.
Yes.
Why? Sometimes.
Rhymes with? Rhymes
Some
with?
of them. Some of them. Some of them.
Never. Always never.
Some of them.
Sometimes.
Demi, what do you do backstage all day?
Work out. Girl, you're perfect. You don't need to work out.
Woo!
Demi, favorite artist at the moment?
Not you.
Oh!
Thanks for everything, guys. Last question.
We love you, Natalie.
Natalie's the best. It's funny, you're nervous.
Favorite artist?
Hair.
Hair. Pink.
Rhymes with?
Pink. Head.
Forehead. Face.
Forehead.
Rain.
Rain. Rihanna.
Dot. Rhymes with?
Forehead.
Forehead. Ed Sheeran.
Ed Sheeran!
We'll get the witness, guys. Give it up for Natalie.
Woo!